Murray Timber Group carry out the complete processing of the log starting at the forest. The logs are graded before they enter the sawmill. Logs are scanned using laser technology. Logs are turned on the turntable as required. Logs with excess butts are reduced to prevent problems in the sawmill. Logs are sorted by log diameter into separate bins. Graded logs are fed into the mill for processing. The logs are debarked. The logs are optimized by 4 laser scanners during the sawing process. The logs are rotated and positioned for optimal cut. First cant turner after first chipper canter. Second cant turner after second chipper canter, which has the option to turn left, right, or not at all, depending on the sawing pattern. First double profilers optimize every log to maximum grade quality. Quad arbor sawbox cuts the boards off at the centerpiece. Side boards are separated from the centerpiece for stacking. Third cant turner. Second double profilers optimize every log to maximum grade quality. Versagang is set for a particular pattern and cuts the centerpiece. Sideboards are separated for stacking. Centerpiece and sideboards are kept separate to scan for product grade and automatic stacking. Every board is laser scanned for product grade and dimension. Boards are trimmed if required. Boards are cross-cut and stacked automatically. Timber required for construction is dried using innovative kiln technology. Murray Timber Group has high-speed planers at both its production facilities. These planers give Murray Timber Group the ability to ease edge and plane all over, PAO, all of its construction material. The planer processes a 4.8 metre length of timber every second. The timber is graded using the latest X-ray technology. Murray Timber Group is the first Irish sawmill to offer eased edge construction timber as standard. The timber is cross-cut and stacked automatically for wrapping in the SNR branded covers. SNR has been trademarked by Murray Timber Group to to distinguish its high-quality product. For more information, visit www.mtg.ie. Murray Timber Group, when quality matters.